SHIB's price struggles to hold above key support as the price tends to get a knockout into a range channel. SHIB continues to struggle in a range-bound movement as the price attempts to break out from its range price. The price of SHIB continues its range movement in a range channel as the price trades below 50 and 200 exponential moving average (EMA) on the daily time frame. Shiba Inu (SHIB) has been underperforming against Tether (USDT) for several weeks now, with the price trading primarily in a range-bound movement with little or no volume to rally. Although the uncertainty that surrounds the crypto market may be a significant factor, as the price of Bitcoin, BTC, and other crypto assets such as Ethereum, ETH, have seen a slight setback in their price movement, the price of SHIB will need to gather more momentum to break through its range channel. Data from Binance-related reading, Mr. Aptos. Here are 5 projects that may airdrop. Shiba Inu, SHIB, price analysis on the weekly chart. Most projects have not fared well in the bear market, as most have seen price declines of more than 50%, discouraging most traders and investors from stockpiling these assets. Despite massive support from great partnerships and a massive community that has continued to build and grow, the price of SHIB has struggled to stay stable. The last rally for SHIB was a spectacle for many, as most investors and traders made a fortune from it, as the thoughts and vivid picture still linger in many people's minds. After rallying, follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.